Hi all, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be doing part 2 of assertions video, and in this video we'll be covering how we can verify a checkbox is checked. Also we can do the another thing like whether the checkbox is unchecked. So for that, we already have done another video on checkboxes. So that was particularly like how to check and uncheck a checkbox. We have done the assertions part as well, but that we have done with PyTest assertions. But in this video, we'll be doing or we can convert it the same with except that is Playwright's inbuilt assertions, right? So instead of updating this one, I wanted to show you a new website or I mean a new page where we can do this click operation or check operation and uncheck operation and we can validate it, right? So let me do that quickly. So let me create one another method here, test method, that is definition test internet check uncheck. So let me just complete it, page colon page and then one. Okay, now page dot go to, it should be navigated to here. Okay, so we have navigated to this page, and now what we want to do first, let's say the first objective is like we have to verify whether this is unchecked or not. Okay, so expected results should be unchecked or not checked, right? And once we click on it, it should be checked. So that's simple thing we'll be going to do here. So page dot locator. So what is that locator here? Let me open it. So you can see it said input type and type is checkbox, right? And here is the ID. Okay, let me grab the ID here, and this is the ID. So we can see like it is highlighting these two checkbox together. Now we need to get the this two one, right? So see here we do not have anything which through which we can directly extract one checkbox. Okay, so better what we can do, we can just take this one only and let's put it here. So it should give us check boxes, right? So check boxes, and next we can do like check boxes dot init of 0, that should return us the first one, and init of 1 should give us the second one, right? So let's do that, check boxes dot init of 0. So here first we will be validating it, right? So expect, uh, put it here and just import this name, import from this one. Okay, so we have imported it, and now so dot uh, what we'll be checking, we'll be checking not to be checked, right? So not to be checked, so it should not be checked, that is why we are using not to be checked. Okay, next we wanted to click on it, right? So click means we can directly click on it. I mean, locator page dot locator dot click, that we can do also, but there is a better method available, that is check. So what we can do, like check boxes dot init of 0 dot check. That's it. So it will check the check boxes and check the check box, and next we'll be validating again like whether it is checked or not. So let's copy this part and dot to be checked. So yeah, so the checkbox one should be checked now, right? Okay, now let's run it and let's see whether it's working or not. So I can run like this, PyTest -s dash dash headed, and next it should be basics slash test check uncheck underscore check uncheck, and we can give a slow motion also, slow motion of let's say giving 2 seconds. Okay, and we can run it now. Oh, okay, okay. I think it would run both of these two tests. So let's see what happens. So the first one already we have developed in our previous script. So let's see what happens here. So yeah, it's clicking the Monday, and also it will verify through PyTest assertions. We will modify this as well. Let's do this after this execution is completed. So here you can see now checkbox is checked and it's verifies also, and you can see two tests passed as well. So both of these assertions got passed, right? So it's working correctly. Now let's update this one as well. So here we can do expect, and the locator is this one, and then dot to be checked, right? And here it should be not checked. So for that we have used not operator, right? But here we do not need to do that not operator, so we can just use expect and this part, adding it here, and dot not to be checked. That's it. So let's run it, and this time I want to run only one method. So I can do double clone and this method name. Yep. So let's run it and let's see what is happening now. Okay, it is checked now, and it is unchecked. Also, I think the validation or the assertions which I've given, it's also passed successfully, right? So it's working for both. So whatever, I mean, I mean, like whenever you are developing playwright scripts, I think can use this expect assertion because it's much more matured, and it looks good, I believe, because you do not have to use this not operator as well. So, and they have given lots of different choices that we can use in our scripts, and the best thing that is here we are getting, I mean, if you have to, if someone is asking you like what is the difference, what benefits we are getting here in this expect options, in this expect assertions, right? So you can say like okay, we can give a timeout kind of thing. So a timeout we can add here, which will like the default is 5 seconds. So if we want to increase this, let's say 15 seconds, so we can give like this. So if there is anything like where it's taking some time, like some Ajax call is happening and it's taking let's say more than 5 seconds of time, so it will wait. But in that case here, it will not wait. So if it is not available, if this page.locator get this is checked, so if it is not checked within that 1 second or 2 second of time, right? So it will not wait till that time, so it will fail, right? So that uh, benefits we are having here, right? And this not to be checked, whatever not we are using, it will be applicable for all these things, right? So here we already have seen like to have value, right? So we can add it not to have value as well, and to just verify the negative scenarios, right? Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.